Hello, students. This is Ms. Phillips, and today we will be learning about text structure, or more specifically, cause and effect. Today is Monday, October 26th. The materials you will need today are a pencil, your reading journal, and your My Book, pages 248 through 249. If you do not have these materials, go ahead and pause the video now, collect these items, then come back to push play. I'm glad you're back. Let's get started. The objectives for this lesson are: I will explain cause and effect, text structure, and author's purpose for using text structure. We will recognize the purpose an author has for using cause and effect. You will read and use the text structure to find out the reasons for westward expansion. What is text structure? Text structure is the way an author arranges text or structures their writing. There are many different types of text structures. Why use text structure? Well, we've been reading informational text. Authors use informational text Authors of informational text arrange or structure their writing to help readers understand the information. As I said earlier, there are many different types of text structure. An author might choose one or more depending on the text purpose. Transition words provide clues to the structure of a text. Understanding text structures helps readers connect ideas and events. Take a moment now to pause the video and copy this chart down into your reading journal. Welcome back. Now that you've copied down this anchor chart, I want to discuss it. At the top left of the anchor chart here, you can see one type of text structure called compare and contrast. The purpose of compare and contrast is to describe how things are alike and how they are different within a text. An author will use transition words such as but, both, however, or and. Another type of text structure is sequential or logical order. We recently discussed sequential order. The purpose of this type of text structure is to explain events in time order or order of importance. An author will use transition words such as before, first, next, then, and many other transition words listed here in order to show logical order. If you see these transition words within the text, they clue you into the fact that the author may be using sequential order for the text structure. There is also problem and solution. The purpose of problem and solution is to show a problem and how it is solved. Just like the other types of text structure, there are clues placed in the text by the author in order to show you, the reader, the text structure. The clues are the transition words such as problem, solution, in light of, propose, and suggest. So what is cause and effect? And what purpose does an author have to use cause and effect? Take a moment down to write down your thoughts on what the purpose an author would have to use cause and effect when referring to text structure. Did you get it? I hope you did. Our main focus today is cause and effect text structure. If you wrote down that the purpose of cause and effect text structure is to explain what happened and why it happened, then you are correct. The author uses cause and effect to explain the connection between an event and the reasons that the event happened to the reader. Whenever you see words such as because, as, so, in order to, as a result, or any others like this, these can be clues that can tell you, the reader, that the author may be using cause and effect text structure, so pay close attention when you see these words. An example, I have this text here that reads, the girl was playing and running in the heat outside. As a result, her cheeks were red. The girl was in need of a cold drink of water because she was so hot. Take a moment now to copy down these sentences into your reading journal. After copying these down, I want you to underline or highlight the transition words in the text that give you a clue that the author is using cause and effect text structure. Did you find the transition words? I hope so. Look now as I show you the context clues indicating cause and effect. As you can see, as a result and because are each used here. Because the girl got hot from playing in the heat, her cheeks were red, and as a result of being hot, she needed a glass of water. These both show what is happening and why it is happening. This is cause and effect text structure. Now it's your turn. I want you to take some time and read pages 248 through 249 in your My Book, the short read, Why Go West? While you're reading, think, why did the author write this selection? Also, what character traits were needed in people who settled in the West? After reading, it's your turn to practice what you have learned and answer the questions in the cause and effect Google Classroom form. Remember to pay close attention to the transitional words and context clues in the text in order to find the text structure. This will help you find the information needed from the text to answer the questions. You can always reference your anchor chart for help in finding out what text structure is being used. Thank you for joining me today.